welcome back on this Monday morning. We're looking at a seasonably cool day. In fact, this week looks to be seasonably cool with a few milder and a few cooler days. As we look ahead, though, we do have some midweek light snow that'll roll through, and then it looks like we'll have a mess on our hands on Friday with the system. So right now for today, we're looking at clouds to increase, winds to be light, generally out of the north, northwest, and northeast, depending on where you're at. Temperatures into the 30s as we head towards the afternoon. So here's the hour by hour for those temperatures. Most areas low to mid 30s in the north, upper 30s and lower 40s along the Wisconsin state line this afternoon. Lows tonight into the 20s with a few teens in the interior west. Tomorrow we'll see temperatures a little bit of a range. So upper 20s across the west end to 30 degrees. And then we're looking at mid 30s to a few upper 30s across the south central tomorrow afternoon, and the lower 30s across the east. That's coming to us after a front moves through today. So I did set a moderate risk for the snow chance mainly on Tuesday extending into Wednesday. We'll have some minor accumulation, especially in the northern areas. Not much for wind component, but a little bit breezy at times tomorrow into Wednesday. But all in all, not too bad. Temperatures, we're not looking at extreme cold behind this cold front, so kind of similar to what we've been experiencing for a little while now. This morning, clear skies. We're looking at a northerly wind flow. Here's that next disturbance and cold front that's going to be moving in today through tomorrow, and then behind it, slightly cooler air sets in. We'll see a little lake effect. Here's what's going to happen as we head towards this afternoon. This is 1 o'clock. We start to see a few of these little very widely scattered snow showers in the west and central areas. Overnight, a few more scattered snow showers develop in the west. That moves towards the east by tomorrow morning. This is very light in nature. No big concerns with this other than the fact that it's just going to be out there tomorrow morning, and depending on where you're at. And then as we head towards the afternoon, most of the day we kind of catch a break from a little bit of that light snow. Late afternoon we start to see an uptick along our northerly wind belts across the north central and north, with some lingering lake effect snow across the eastern areas on Wednesday. So this is Wednesday about midday, and then that tapers off. So we're not looking at a mess where it's widespread heavy snow. It's going to be more of this light snow that'll be in some areas on and off between Tuesday and Wednesday. Not much for accumulations, as I mentioned. This is kind of more of a minor accumulation situation, but around 3 inches in parts of the higher elevations of the Keweenaw and the north central sections of the UP will range 3 to 6 inches of snow. Not allowed for areas towards the south, about 1 to 2 inches of snow between the south and eastern counties. As we look ahead behind that lake effect snow on Wednesday, for Thursday we're looking at drier conditions, temperatures into the 30s. Friday's the day to make note of because it looks like a system will be bringing in a bit of a mess. Everything from snow across the north to potentially some freezing rain across our southern areas, and then more of that wet snow as we head into Friday night and Saturday morning.